Hello, I'm Katie and I'm Customer Services Manager for Modern UPVC Windows. If you're looking for new windows, you will likely have come across the term U-value. Although it sounds technical, it's really just a simple way of measuring how well heat is kept inside your home. In this video, we'll explain what U-value is, why it matters, and what you should look for when choosing energy efficient windows. Firstly, what does U-value actually mean? Simply put, it measures how easily heat can pass through material. The main thing to remember is that the lower the U-value, the better the window is at preventing heat from escaping. So when you come to comparing windows, the one with a lower U-value will generally provide the better insulation. So, what's included in a window's U-value measurement? It encompasses the glazing, the UPVC frame, the warm edge spacer bars within the glass, and the seals around the window. When you're comparing your windows, always make sure to look for the U-value and not the UG value. UG value only measures the glass and is not an accurate measurement of the window's overall energy efficiency once glazed. So comparing window performance, usually older windows will have a much higher U-value, ranging from 5 for single glazing to about 2.7 for older double glazing. This means that more heat can escape through them and your central heating will be working harder to compensate. However, modern, energy efficient double glazing can achieve easily 1.2 to 1.4 U-value, and high performance triple glazing can even reduce this to 0.8 to 1.0. This is why replacing older windows can make such a difference to the warmth and comfort of your home. So why does U-value matter? Windows with a lower U-value can help reduce heat loss and maintain a comfortable temperature within your home. They also help to minimise cold spots and drafts, which can lower the amount of energy your home needs to heat up. But the overall performance of your home will depend on installation, ventilation, and how well the windows have been installed. You may also see windows advertised using energy ratings A, A+, and A++, and energy ratings look at more than just heat transmission. They also look at heat loss, solar gain, and air leakage, focusing on how effectively the complete window prevents heat from passing through it. For this reason, both measurements are very useful when comparing options. At Modern UPVC Windows, our products come with A+ rated double glazing as standard and can achieve a whole window U-value of 1.3. They combine insulated multi-chamber UPVC frames with low E glass, argon-filled sealed units and warm edge spacers. Each feature works to improve heat loss and the complete overall performance of your window. For customers looking for an even greater thermal performance, we also offer an A++ triple glazed option with a U-value of 0.92. This provides enhanced installation and maximises the energy efficiency in your home. These glazing options are available in our wide range of made-to-measure bespoke windows, including casement, flush, tilt and turn, French style, bay and bow, and our bespoke shaped windows. You can also customise the colour, glazing, hardware, and finishing options to create a window that truly suits your home. To order, just visit the Modern UPVC Windows website and use our online designer tool. Choose your window style, enter your measurements, and customise the colour, glazing options, and finishing touches. You will then receive an instant online price for your made-to-measure windows. For any queries during this process, myself and my team are always available. And just remember, the lower the U-value, the better the installation.